Well, here we are, Sunday, 5th of July. I've just spoken with Tony. He says it's raining in Hayes, so he's putting the cover back on his car and he might not be going. Allegedly, we're off to Heathrow Car Show, which is in the old British Airways social place. I'm going to go and meet him at the shop if he's going to take his cover off again. And then we'll rumble down a couple of miles to Heston and meet up with loads of people with nice cars. Right, here's a bit of Heathrow nostalgia. August 1971, going to Mallorca, Palma Airport, getting off the plane with John Henry. Forget the afro, you know, that was a perm day. Having rumbled through Hayes, Southall and Heston, we've arrived. Cars look nice. Tony's Oldsmobile is looking immaculate. Travelled ever so well on the road, looked great. Hold on, Tony's ears caught fire. Hurry up, help him out. Oh, it's gone out again. Look again, Tony's ear catches fire. Wow, now that's unique in this world. Now, let's go and see some cars of all sorts of varieties, American, English, German, Jap, whatever. And let's also see some micro machines. God, I'd love to put a supercharger or a blower on this. Wouldn't that go some off the lights? God, dear. Supercharged mini moke. See you later.
Hey Gina, is that Johnny's ring you're wearing?
Uh-huh.
Are you guys like hanging out?
Uh-huh.
I mean, are you like serious? I mean, doing stuff?
Uh-uh.
He's never tried?
Uh-uh.
What's his problem?
Johnny, are you good? You're so good looking, but something's in the way when I look in your eyes. Oh, Johnny, you mean so much to me. I've waited so long for you to set me free. So I ask myself each day, Johnny, are you gay? You got a real cool shirt, yeah. It's tied back south, not like the other guys, no. I took a look rest I'm dead. Having a party, well, eating and drinking. Having a party, well, not come out and singing. But it's for a while, doing every Saturday night. Someone filled the fire, it soon began to burn. We opened up the trunk, got two guitars and sang. Sat around a fire, doing crazy things. Well, having a party till the sun came up and stopped and then went home.